Alright, so my power stop brakes for the clown shoe just got here, and I scored a crazy deal. Just make sure it's accurate, but these are allegedly the track versions for this car. Yep. So I got the better kit, the Z26 kit for the clown shoe for like $300 or $319. So the next cheapest place was like $500. So on Amazon, I don't know, it's the last set, and very grateful. This thing came with everything, the sensors, the hardware, the parts. So step one, unscrew this. A lot of people will take this off first and then unscrew this. The reason I don't like to do that is because in case I have to put a screwdriver here underneath. Next thing is get this chatter clip off, so let's go ahead and work on that. Alright, so as you can see, I painted these calipers. I'm gonna have to touch that up before I put it back in. Alright, chatter clip off. Next steps. Alright, next is taking out these Allen screws. So once the screws are out, what you want to do is have something handy, ready to go to hang the caliper. So I usually use a coat hanger. I know they got. There we go. So go ahead and so you're gonna take out this screw. You see it's already rocking around, and this screw. So let's go ahead and finish good in that. All right, here we go. Screws out. Bracket is out. So as you can see, I've cleaned all this up, retouched up the caliper, and I also did the bracket. So up next is I need to compress the piston. So that's on now. To the next one. Alright, so it's difficult to show you guys here, but I'm going to do my best. So this is the pin you have to remove. Right? It's really dry. So we got to lube that. And then this is the boot. Alright, so what I did was put a little silicone on this. And let's see if we can get it right in here. About the camera, this one goes here, and this one snaps in it. So gotta make sure it's. Let's go ahead and put this over. There we go. Put that in there. New boot, spin it around. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up. And then once you got it all tightened up, put the, I think they keep calling it the chatter clip everywhere else. Alright, so that right one right there, that's the, so there's two behind this cover here. The right one is the one for the brake sensor, so you want to follow that all the way around. There we go. This one's done as well. I'm gonna take off the screw, take the chatter clip off, which I've already done. Take off the two Allen bolts here. Next is we're gonna take the 5/8 bolts. Once you get the screws out, this comes right off. It's free. It's not as easy as the front one, again, because of the brake shoes that are there. I looked that up, but the hardware definitely looks newer. So I'm gonna assume that was done at some point. So let's go ahead and clean all this up. All right. So the new rotor is on. Touched everything up, calipers included. So let's go ahead and finish assembling this. So we're gonna put some lube on the pins, and we've put the new rubber in there, as you can see. All right, there we go. It's completely done, but it's so cool to see that nice rotor back there, right? All right, so before around 50, we'll start shaking. So I'm doing 50 now, and it's running great, like rock solid.